spirit of the outdoors. I'm fixing to fire up this rocket stove, put my disc wok that I've got made on there, and fry some squirrels. Y'all hang with me. Let's get it done. So first order of business, y'all, is we're gonna split us up some wood, and I have got these are some pine boards. Now we just using the heat. We're not gonna be cooking over the smoke. So I'm fixing to split these boards up, and I believe that's all we need to cook on. This is scrap wood. I love reclaiming and using, you know, leftover stuff and making a use out of it. So this is the ends and pieces of boards from some projects that we have done. I'm gonna go ahead and split them both up. That's got a big old knot in it. Go up here and we're gonna bust the other side of that knot. Oh. That is probably enough to cook on, but we got a good bit here. We have got more than enough right there, I can tell you. That right there. I went and got me some pine and made me a feather stick on here. Get my lighter over here. We call it pine knot, but it's fat wood or lighter pine. Whatever you prefer to call it. Burns really good. Excellent for starting these old fires. I got a bunch of rocks. I want to be back and forth on my nail. I may need to get me a chair over here. These work really good. Sometimes getting them lit can be a little bit tricky, but we're gonna get it done. Twigs, a handful of grass and twigs will help you get started real good. But it don't take long to get this going this way either. You just have to be a little more diligent and patient. And patience is not one of my best virtues. Y'all, it won't take no whole lot of oil on this. Y'all, I got in there and I've got my flour seasoned in here, and I'm gonna put these cut up pieces of this squirrel in there. And I went ahead and I had a couple of pieces of fish left that I didn't cook the other night. I'm gonna flour and fry them while I'm at it. So just got them in this sack, shake it around. I got flour and black pepper and a little bit of salt and some Tony Chachere's in there. Oh. Y'all, you can cook with just a little bit of oil. Get your squirrels in there. That piece there is coming apart. We about got these squirrels here done, and I used about that whole bung of wood. It is burning down about some coals, and I did have to add just a little bit of oil to it. They about done cooking. We fixing to get them all. I done eat 2 of them pieces of fish. These young little old tender squirrels ought to be good. Roscoe's sitting there thinking he's gonna get him a bite, I believe. That's fixing to be good, ain't it? So y'all, I just wanted to film cooking on this rocket stove and using this disc blade and show you how well it worked. I had company come up while I was filming, so I couldn't do a lot of filming, but it it works really well, and we used that 1 watt of wood, cooked that couple of squirrels in no time. It's real effective for cooking for no money. You can take a handful of wood chips, scrap wood, stuff from a lumber yard, stuff you pick up, limbs that fell out of a tree, anything, and cook a meal on this rocket stove. And I've built this one. I put me a trap door, and grease is still hot. It gets hot in that. Let me find my. But you can bump that up and it slides up and let your ashes and stuff out the back. You can dump it forward and it'll dump out that way just as easy. It's just an added feature if I want to let more air in or something like that. The disc blade, I really like. You can take a little bit of oil, put it in there. You've seen it cook, so just a little video cooking with this out here just to see how it works. Thank y'all for watching Spirit of the Outdoors. Remember, the best way to do things, the way you like to do it. We'll see y'all. Y'all have a good one. Did you eat any squirrel?